Jodan Yuki is a blocking technique used in traditional Japanese martial arts, especially in karate. It is commonly referred to as an upper block or high block. Jodan upper level, referring to the head and face area. Yuki block or receiving. Jodan Yuki is primarily used to defend against attacks aimed at the head, such as punches, oizuki, gyakuzuki, or downward strikes, e.g. from a weapon. Starting position, begin in a natural stance or from a basic guard position. Your arms should be relaxed but ready. Chambering the block. Bring your blocking arm across your body to the opposite side, chest level. The other hand stays in chamber, near the waist. Executing the block. Raise your forearm diagonally upward to block the incoming attack. Your fist should be slightly above your forehead, with the palm facing outward. Your elbows should be at an approximately 90-degree angle. Finishing position. The blocking arm is strong but flexible.